Number 1. 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $3,000, San Jose, California. This 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass represents a solid entry-level classic from the late rear-wheel drive era of Oldsmobile. Powered by a V8 engine and showing 108,000 miles, it reportedly starts and runs well, making it a practical driver. The clean interior and recently installed new battery are strong positives, especially for a vehicle at this price point. Cosmetic rust on the hood and roof is noted, but the body is otherwise described as solid, which is typical for aging General Motors vehicles of this period. The Cutlass was one of the brand's best-selling models, known for comfort and reliability. Overall, this is a budget-friendly cruiser with minor cosmetic needs and good usability. Number 2. 1986 Chrysler LeBaron Convertible, $2,200, Upland, California. This 1986 Chrysler LeBaron Convertible is a classic example of Chrysler's front-wheel drive K-platform lineup. Equipped with a fuel-injected 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, it offers decent efficiency and ease of driving. With only 57,000 miles original paint, top, and interior, this car stands out as a well-preserved survivor. The absence of rust is a major advantage, especially for a convertible. While performance is modest, the LeBaron is appreciated for its smooth ride and classic 1980s styling. This is an affordable open-top classic with originality and low mileage as its main strengths. Number 3. 1951 Willys Jeepster, $4,000, Kerrville, Texas. The 1951 Willys Jeepster is a unique post-war American vehicle, blending utility and style. This example is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, but it currently does not run due to a seized rear axle caused by rust. Restoration will be required, making it a true project vehicle. Jeepsters are collectible for their rarity and distinctive design, often appealing to enthusiasts looking for something different from mainstream classics. While the condition is fair, the clean title and overall completeness make it a viable restoration candidate with strong vintage appeal. Number 4. 1968 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova, $5,000, Fort Collins, Colorado. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova 4-door sedan is a highly desirable platform among classic car enthusiasts. Powered by a 250 cubic inch inline-6 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, it offers a simple and reliable driving experience. The car runs and drives great with proven road trip capability. It features a solid body with minimal rust, upgraded rear wheels, and includes valuable extras such as a 305 V8 engine and automatic transmission from a Camaro. The interior is mostly complete with reupholstered seats and included replacement parts. The Nova is widely respected for its lightweight design and strong aftermarket support, making this a versatile classic for driving or upgrading. Number 5. 1986 Chevrolet El Camino Custom, $8,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This custom 1986 Chevrolet El Camino blends muscle car performance with utility styling. Equipped with a 3.05 V8 engine, Edelbrock intake, and Holley carburetor, it offers improved performance over stock. The automatic transmission, power steering, and power windows add convenience, while the custom paint, Kragar wheels, and SS-style details enhance its appearance. The air conditioning needs servicing, but overall it is presented as a solid driver. Number 6. 1970 Ford Thunderbird, $8,900, Novato, California. This 1970 Ford Thunderbird is powered by the impressive 429 Thunderjet big block V8 engine, delivering strong performance typical of early 1970s American luxury coupes. With 73,900 miles, it is described as a good driver with many original features, including the factory radio. The vehicle includes various comfort and convenience features, though the air conditioning system needs attention. The Thunderbird of this era is known for its bold styling and smooth ride, making it ideal for cruising. This example offers a balance of power, luxury, and classic presence. Number 7. 1978 Datsun 510 Wagon, $8,450, Santa Cruz, California. This 1978 Datsun 510 Wagon is a rare and highly original survivor with 104,000 miles and single-family ownership. Known for its reliability and efficiency, this rear-wheel drive wagon runs and drives excellently, even achieving over 30 miles per gallon on long trips. The original paint retains strong shine, and the interior remains largely intact with minor wear. Maintained with documented service history, it stands as a true time capsule. The only notable flaw is a cracked windshield. The Datsun 510 is highly regarded for its lightweight design and driving dynamics, making this wagon a desirable collectible. Number 8. 1968 Dodge Coronet Station Wagon, $2,300, LaSalle, Colorado. This 1968 Dodge Coronet Station Wagon offers classic V8 power paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. With 124,000 miles and 2 owners, it runs and drives well, making it a functional vintage vehicle. The presence of rust and patina reflects its age, but also adds character for enthusiasts who appreciate originality. New tires and included spares are practical benefits. Full-size wagons from this era are becoming increasingly collectible due to their rarity and unique styling. This is an affordable and usable classic with project potential. Number 9. 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $7,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is an all-original example powered by a 350 V8 engine. With approximately 94,000 miles, it runs but requires some care and maintenance. The Cutlass Supreme was one of the most popular midsize cars of its time, known for its smooth ride and strong engine options. Although the odometer is not functioning, the car's originality adds to its appeal. This is a solid foundation for restoration or light refurbishment, especially for enthusiasts of 1970s American coupes. Number 10. 1977 Chevrolet Impala, $6,000, Brentwood, Oakley, California. This 1977 Chevrolet Impala sedan features a 400 cubic inch engine swap, improving performance beyond stock. It runs strong and includes a stainless steel exhaust and wiring for an audio system. The white interior is in excellent condition with extra chrome parts included. The main need is a headliner replacement. Overall, it is a solid upgraded classic ready to drive or finish.